Hello. Hi, Reena Venkatesh here. I am just having some fun on my profile account today. Usually I post this on my business page, Seasonal Leaf Interior Design, but today I thought I'll have some fun with this. Just adjusting this a little bit. Hope I did some adjustments or not. So anyway, I thought I'd have some fun, do my 29th day of my Facebook 30-day challenge, live challenge on my profile page, and just so that more people can see me, people who have not liked my page can also see me, and have a chance for people to hear me out as to what I am talking about. So just to let you know, I am on my 29th day and also on my 5th day of Kitchen Talk. So by Kitchen Talk, I mean if you are doing renovations, upgrades to your kitchen, I am doing a 6-day discussion about different parts of your kitchen, ideas, tips that you can use to do that renovation or plan with your professional help, designer, whoever that is you have, or if you want to call me, I can help you, glad to. So yesterday I was talking about not only physical properties such as room size cabinets, door surface, door style, flooring, backsplash and countertop. I also touched quite a bit on sink and sink material of the sink, the configuration as to how many is a double, single, triple, how many basins, and also a little bit about the faucet and the types of faucet. So continuing from there, I'll today move on to larger appliances. That was the sink and the faucets were the fixtures. Today I move on to larger appliances. We're talking about planning or deciding what your large appliance looks like as to what different choices you can do. So you can go with either conventional oven or a convection oven. So either of the two, depending upon what kind of cooking you're doing and baking you're doing, whatever you want, you can choose between the two, the conventional oven and the convection oven. Then there is your microwave oven, which people use to instantly heat food items. And there is a fourth option, which is a steam oven. So steam oven basically uses steam for cooking as in baking. And additional to that, you can also have just your cooktop. So this is not an oven or a cooking range, but just a cooktop where you have your 4 or 5 gas burners or electrical burners, whatever that is. Then you can also go for a freestanding range, which is oven in the bottom and the cooktop on the top. And then there is a slide-in range where you can just slide in the cooking range. There's a warming drawer. Next, moving on to is your refrigerator or refrigerator and freezer, or you can have a refrigerator separately and a freezer separately, or you can have a refrigerator drawer, which is again different from your actual refrigerator. You can also go for a smaller wine cooler, which is for keeping and storing your white wines. Then comes your dishwasher drawers. So either you have a conventional one-door dishwasher, or you have dishwasher with 2 drawers or 3 drawers. I don't think we still have the 3 drawers, but we for sure have the 2 drawers. The upper drawer is only for light wash, and then the lower one is for your pots and pans or heavy wash. Then you have your clothes washer and clothes dryer, and a washer dryer combination, which is built in one or one on top of the other. So these are some of the appliances, larger appliances that you have to consider while planning for your kitchen renovation. Now, as far as smaller appliances go, here are some ideas. So make sure that you note these down, and how many of each you need, you can always decide on that, or write your brand name or what kind or how much money you want to spend behind each. So the first is your blender, then is your bread machine, coffee grinder, coffee maker. So coffee grinder is the one that grinds the seeds, and coffee maker is the one that actually makes the seeds from the powder. electric frying pan, so where you plug into the wall socket and you put in the oil and then you can use it. Electric griddle. So these are all electric toaster, electric wok. So 4 of these electric items. Then there is your espresso or your cappuccino machine, which is not your traditional coffee machine, but it makes espresso or cappuccino. Then you have a food dehydrator. A food dehydrator is mostly where you can dry some fruits and vegetables and store it for later. Then you have your food processor, hand mixer, ice cream or sorbet maker. You have your indoor grill, juicer, pasta machine, popcorn popper, rice cooker, slow cooker, stand mixer, toaster, and toaster oven. So all these appliances, these are the smaller appliances, so you don't have to have all of them in your kitchen, but at least you use some of them. So whatever you use, see that you write it down, note it, and make your list, and then budget for that. Last but not the least, among the physical properties, we're talking about ventilation and lighting. So everybody knows what kind of ventilation we go for, usually for cooking. Depending upon your cooking types, you can go for a chimney hood or a custom insert, a downdraft, or an island hood if you have an island cooktop. You could also go for a microwave hood combination, an under cabinet hood, and then you go for your, so that's kind of the ventilation that you go for. As far as lighting goes, either pendant lighting, so there are few different types of lighting that you need in a kitchen. One is your task lighting, one is your direct lighting, ambient lighting, and your general lighting. So your task lighting is the one that you have underneath your upper cabinets, where you actually use to cut your vegetables or do food prep. Accent lighting is your cove lighting that you can keep on when your kitchen is not in use. Then your general ambient lighting is either your pot lights or your upper ceiling track lighting, which you can direct to certain areas. So ambient lighting is also similar to your accent lighting, only that you could even do it as your pendants, or you could do your recessed lighting, or skylight. Skylight can be another where you bring in some natural light from outside, and if your kitchen is on the top floor, you could easily see if there is provisions for doing a skylight. So there are the different physical properties to think about while making our renovation or planning for a kitchen renovation or upgrade. And my idea behind coming on live on my profile page is just to see how many people come online and watch me. So Mimi, thank you for watching. I can see you. And if you like my video, please share it, or also go and like my page if you haven't already, Seasonal Leaf Interior Design, and give my page a like. And tomorrow I'm coming back again, probably not on my profile page, but back to my business page for my last day of my 30-day Facebook challenge. Bye bye for now.